Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share my weekend special skin and hair care routine with you guys. This is a very relaxing routine that will give you a very rejuvenated and spa-like feeling just at home, and you won't even need to visit a parlor. So let's get started. So I start off by tying my hair up. This activity itself helps me to get into that chilled weekend mood, and also I just don't love my hair to fall on my face when I'm taking care of my skin. So yeah, I make sure that the hair is neatly tied up. So the first product that I use is this oil-based cleansing balm from Clinique. I will give a link to all the products in the description box down below. I love double cleansing my face, and for that this product is the best one. So the oil basically melts out all the dirt and makeup and everything from the face and allows the face wash that's used as the second step in a far better way. This product is a little pricey, but it's amazing. So once the oil kind of removes and melts down everything, I remove it using a wet cloth. So this is a very sustainable product, and it also very gently exfoliates the skin. If you are not doing double cleansing also, then this product is super useful because it kind of removes whatever cleanser you have on your face. But as I do double cleansing, the second product that I use is this face wash, and it's from O3. So this is a detan face wash, and it effectively removes the tan, and also because I have oily skin, it works really well on my skin. It removes the oil, it unclogs the pores and does everything that my skin deserves. So after it foams up a bit, I just make sure that I'm washing it off with warm water, and that basically prepares my skin for the next step. So in the next step, I use this chemical exfoliator. So this is the vitamin C gel exfoliator from the Body Shop, and when I apply it on my skin, it slowly beads up, removing all the dead cells. This is an amazing product. It does not harm your skin, and using it once or twice every week shows amazing result it did on my skin. And after I wash it off, I spray this Avene thermal water on my face. It's a very gentle toner that suits the skin after all those cleansing and exfoliating. So the next thing that I use is this detan mask from O3. My skin gets tanned very easily, so I really needed something that works effectively, and it does. It works like magic. This is something that professionals use in salons and parlors, and after using it, I realized why they love using this product. So I apply a thin layer of the product evenly all over my face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. It burns a little in the beginning due to the presence of peppermint, but after 5 minutes that feeling is gone, and it kind of feels very cool and calm against the skin, which feels very relaxing. Also, it does not become dry completely, so it does not make the skin very dry, and after 20 minutes I just wash it off and the skin looks very fresh. The tan gets completely removed. Next, I massage my face with this massaging cream from O3. I have tried using moisturizing cream or gels before to massage my face, but using this product really brings a lot of difference to my skin. So when I massage this product, my skin starts looking very glowy. It makes the skin soft, supple and smooth. Also, massaging improves the blood circulation in the face, which in turn make the skin very healthy. So yeah, I make sure that I'm massaging my whole face in soft, gentle motions, and I also massage my neck. And once the massage is complete, the skin looks very fresh, very soft, and yeah, this is how it looks like, and it feels very relaxing. Then I use this hydrating gel from Clinique. This is something that anyone can use. It can be used on oily skin, on dry skin, or normal skin. I love using it throughout the year. So I know I need to drink a lot of water to keep my skin healthy, because along with moisturization, our skin also needs hydration. But at times I forget to drink water, and that literally shows on my skin. My skin looks dehydrated, and this product acts like a savior. The skin drinks up the product like drinking water and becomes very supple and soft. The last product that I use is this vitamin E cream from the Body Shop. This is a very intense moisturizing cream. I don't use it every day, but I make sure that I'm using it twice over the weekends to give my skin that extra moisturization it needs. Also, because I spend a lot of time in air conditioned room, I think this is a very essential step for me, and yeah, it really feels amazing. So this is a nice way to end my weekend skincare routine. And I end the skincare routine with a very nourishing lip balm. Now moving on to the hair care, in the weekend I make sure that I'm using a mask, and I love using a homemade hair mask. So for this, I first take 4 spoons of bamboo gel. You can also use aloe vera gel if you want to. I use aloe vera gel when I have that, but I at times buy this bamboo gel which works in a very similar fashion, and I take 4 tablespoons of that. To this, I add this onion oil from Wow. So this is a very effective oil. It actually helps to prevent hair fall and helps in hair growth. And I also add a very little amount of castor oil because it's very thick. I cannot use it just by itself. So I make sure that I add this to this hair pack. So I use a spoon to mix the gel and the oil together, and it slowly comes together and gives a white opaque gel kind of thing, and once that consistency is reached, the mask is ready to be applied. So I gently massage the product on my scalp. I start working from the roots towards the tip. This massaging helps to improve the blood circulation. And yeah, I apply it all over the scalp and then leave it overnight. If I don't have time, I leave it for 1 or 2 hours and then wash my hair. But I try to leave it overnight because that's way more effective. So I use this 8X shampoo from Cipla as recommended by my dermatologist. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo and it really takes good care of my dandruff issue. And I don't use any conditioner. Once every week I use this mask. It's from Schwarzkopf. It's called Glitz. I think it's a hair repair mask and it really makes my hair very soft and bouncy. So yeah, this is how my hair looks like after the wash. I really love how soft and bouncy it feels. And yeah, that's the end to my weekend special skin and hair care routine. I hope you have enjoyed it. I will be back with a new video super soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.